Hi YouTube, I just decided to make this little short video here. This is my TJ. I just finished taking off the doors. The darn thing is so darn rusty. Unfortunately, I have this little scratch here, but I'll try to fix it up. So here's a little idea for some of you guys who don't want to invest in buying all these adapters for your mirrors and whatnot. I decided to use the actual bracket here that you can easily take off the door and off the hinges here. Get a little bracket here going, tie it up here against this bolt right here, and try to get a bolt here to hold it steady, and just screw your mirror accordingly to these holes here, and that should do it. And there you go, you have your mirror without your doors, and it should be sturdy enough to be able to ride without any problems. And it sits at the same level as you would having your door on. So see, it might shake and wobble a bit, but I just decided to do this quickly, and maybe some of you guys can come up with some better ideas. Unfortunately, the rubber that comes that is usually in this hole right here, I had to take it off as it was stiff as hell, and I couldn't take it off. So I'll try to find a way to either tape this up and get it a bit stiffer. So enjoy, and this is a quick tip on how to get your Jeep going without any doors, and just using basic intelligence, and without having to buy a mirror kit. This should work and do the trick. And there you go. Thank you for watching.